We're live.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Springham Family Kitchen.
And today we're doing to make pizzas.
Pizza?
We're making pizza tonight.
How many pizzas are we going to make, Beatrice?
We're going to make
4.
Sprinkles.
Oh, we're going to do
Sprinkles on the pizza? Ooh.
So yes, everybody, we've got our pizza party today, where we're going to make our
Yes, thank you, Patrick.
we're going to make our dough,
Water.
and we've got water. Yes, so the kids are going to help in every way they can.
But
Oh, say hi. Say hi to Kat and Henry and Lydia and Bryn.
Say hi,
They're-
Kat, Henry, Lydia, and Bryn.
They're
Say hi.
watching.
Yeah.
and even my dad is going to help Beatrice, and nobody is going to help me.
Okay, so hopefully everybody's got some ingredients. We sent a recipe out, and hopefully you've all managed to get everything from your cupboard.
We have also
Patrick, wait a
can
minute.
you just wait a second, sweet?
we
And we have, most important, flour. So now we're all sat at home and we go to the store maybe once a week. Maybe we should make sure we have plenty of flour, shouldn't we?
That was enough. And we have all things that we need for making a pizza.
So Mummy's going to show you all what we've got. We've got
Okay.
salt,
We have
oil,
Oil,
yeast, and some sugar.
and
We have some water.
and also some.
Okay. So we're going to start today, and Patrick first needs to weigh his flour. Beatrice is so fast, she's weighed her flour and she's got some on the table already. But Patrick's going to weigh his flour. So if you, hold on Patrick, if you've got some scales at home, hopefully you have some nice little electric ones like this. If not, you just do it on your normal house scales, okay?
And we do some water.
so how much flour is it?
So on our recipe, we have to weigh 200 grams of flour. Okay, Patrick?
Or 1 cup if you're in America. Have to say it. You can just say
Okay,
hi to
so-
everybody.
Where we are so far is we've got our 200 grams of flour in our bowl. Beatrice is already mixing her flour, making it all nice. So the next thing we have to put in is some yeast. This is dried yeast in these little packets, and hopefully Mummy or Daddy has got you some yeast this morning. So I'm going to give 1 packet to Beatrice and one packet to Patrick's. So Patrick, can you open that please? And do you want me to help you open? Okay, let's just do this. Oh, it's tough, isn't it? Do it like this. Okay, so you're going to tip that in the middle, Beatrice.
In the middle, Pat.
Make sure it all goes in the middle, like that. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Now, on the recipe, it says for... Don't play with it yet, just wait a second, Beatrice. All in, Patrick? Okay. It says for some olive oil. You get our olive oil and you just put a splash in, like that. Oops. And a splash into Patrick's. Easy. Now we're going to put a teaspoon of sugar in.
Yeah.
And that helps the yeast. The yeast likes sugar. And when you're making a dough quickly like this, the sugar will make the yeast grow quicker because it's something. And we're going to pour some of your water, but not all of it. Now remember, we've got 140 grams of water, which is around 5 ounces. And we're going to pour some in. Take your hands out, Beatrice. You've got to use this. You have to use this. And start to stir.
Bit of our water.
And if you've noticed, I haven't put the salt in yet. We wait until we get our dough mixed a little bit first before we add our salt. So you're going to get to a point where you're going to have to use your hand to stir. So when we do that, we take our spoon out and then we pour in the rest of our water.
Shall we start?
And we stir it. No, with your hand.
Now you get dirty.
Now
Yes.
Use your hand.
Use your hand now.
Yeah.
Ooh. It feels squishy.
Ooh, it's good, isn't it? Mix it all up. Mix it, mix it.
Okay, let's mix it, shall we?
Little mini chef with her hat.
Daddy.
Oh, is everyone else getting sticky? Hopefully,
Now, Beatrice.
Show me your hands, Beatrice.
Disgusting.
So I'm going to put our half a teaspoon of salt into our dough. And Patrick, you're going to mix that in.
Mix it in with your hands.
Mix it in.
So that was just
Half a teaspoon.
half
of
a
salt.
teaspoon of salt.
Nice light
Oh,
dough.
here's the professional. He's cleaned the bowl inside.
So we've cleaned the bowl. Mummies and daddies can help here. So it's nice and clean. And then we put our dough on the table.
Oh, Beatrice loves this part. Yes. Look at that dough. Woo.
We're going to be kneading for about 5 minutes. So you can get to this point and then just follow us, okay?
We do.
Are we ready? So what do? We stretch and roll and stretch and roll. Stretch and roll and stretch and roll.
Oh, Paula says, what kind of flour? And this
All-purpose flour.
is our favorite flour here that
So-
we use for everything.
So
It's
this
very
is-
good.
If you're American, this is like an all-purpose flour. The number you want on the side of
And this
your
is
bag is
It is
T55.
like more like a bone.
So what we're doing is we're stretching our dough, Patrick, like that. Stretch and roll. Stretch and roll.
Oh, Beatrice, good work. That's a good stretch.
Beatrice. Stretch and roll.
Go, Pat. And Patrick, if you want to stand up, if that helps.
Or we can sit down. We can all sit down. We can stand up. Stretch and roll. Stretch and roll. Go on, Beatrice. Stretch and roll. Let's get that into one lump again. Sweet. Like that. Stretch.
Someone, I don't know who that was. Someone was laughing at us, but I think they're entertained by the stretch and roll.
Stretch and roll. Stretch. And if you can slap your dough down,
Yeah, do a slap.
then you get how we do it.
This is the way we roll our dough. Wasn't that what you were saying yesterday? Or
Yeah, I think we
stretch our dough, stretch our dough, stretch our dough.
This is the way our
Oh, Patrick, good. Oh,
Oh, nice shot. 5 second rule, Pat. 5 second rule. You did it like that, like that.
Beatrice, let me see yours. Let me see yours. Show me.
Elbow, see this kneading?
Oh,
See that
yes.
technique? Elbow technique.
All right.
This is a new way to knead dough by Beatrice. Yeah, buy a load of bags of flour, some packets of dry yeast. They come in boxes like this. You get 6 in a box. So out that 6 loaves of bread and a bag of flour, you've got 6 loaves of bread for under €1.
There you go. Saving some money and staying at home.
Now, out of your recipe, you should get 2 nice large pizzas. We're going to make them nice and thin, and we're going to make 2 nice large pizzas. So we've got,
Oh, Pat, good work.
Patrick's dough is actually becoming smoother and smoother. I can see it. And Beatrice is just a crazy, fantastic job there. Okay. Nice one, Pat. You're fantastic. Patrick is my little apprentice baker.
Okay, how's it going? Is it almost there?
So, if you look at my dough, it needs to look like that.
And how long was that kneading?
So I kneaded that for about 5 minutes. So you may need to do a few more minutes. After
Oh.
you've done your kneading for about 5 or 7 minutes, you're going to put your dough all in. You're going to put yours in one bowl together. Or do you want to put it together, or do you want to put it in your own bowl? Your own bowl. Beatrice and I are going to put our dough together.
No, well,
gonna
she
put it-
probably
okay.
wants her own bowl.
Put it in there.
Yeah.
She wants her own. I'm sure
Oh,
she wants her own.
bowl.
Yeah,
She's stolen my pizza dough, which is very,
Well,
very, very clever.
you know,
really.
that's how she
Oh,
does it.
she's mixing it. She's mixing.
Let's see how yours looks in the bowl. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be really good.
Good girl.
Oh yes, more kneading. She doesn't want to stop.
Okay. You put a little bit of flour over the top and in the bowl on the bottom so it doesn't stick.
Flour on the bottom and the top.
Just a little bit, Beatrice. Put it on the bowl. In the bowl. Not on the dough. In the bowl. Here you go. Can you put it into the bowl, please?
Nothing.
Okay. So now I've got a little bit of cling wrap here. And I just lay it over the top of the bowl. I don't seal it, I just lay it across. It just keeps the heat of the dough in there, which is nice. Beatrice will eventually put her dough away, but we may have to fight over this for about half an hour. So what I'm going to say to everybody is, we're going to leave you now, and we're all going to meet back here at 11:15, 11:15.
Which is about 45 minutes.
So we're all going to meet back in 45 minutes to finish our pizzas.
So let's just show you. You got to put flour in the bottom, flour in the top, cover it, and then just leave it. Beatrice, you got to put it in the bowl.
No.
But while we're gone for 45 minutes, we all need to prepare something for our pizza. Our toppings. So I've got some shredded cheese and I've got some mozzarella in the fridge. So this is just a Neapolitan pizza sauce. And I've got some jambon, some ham chopped up to go on top. So you get prepared with your pizza fillings and toppings for the next 45 minutes and we'll meet back and we'll make our pizzas.
Beatrice, say bye.
You're going to say goodbye to everybody, Beatrice?
See you in a minute.
Beatrice, can you wave goodbye?
See you in a minute.
Bye.
Bye.